Hiring your first employee can be intimidating, but yet a rewarding step to take. On this platform, I do everything, and I want to take the opportunity to hire my first employee and document that alongside. So this episode is my first hire, and I want to see how it will all turn out and feel like. Let's go into the video. Starting a week with a very focused mindset and a lot of energy. This morning when I woke up, I I listed the activities I kind of like perform on this platform. So if you know me already, I have been doing the like you've been watching this content, I have been doing the video, the coding, the design, everything myself. But it is high time I kind of like yeah I bring someone on board to work with me and then see how best we're going to go. The reason I'm doing this is because of my why. My why is so much big that I can't do it alone. I have to do it with everyone. I have to do it with someone. I have to do it with someone also. Someone who is also having the same drive. Yeah, but how the same? How I see. So I listed all the activities I've been performing: the video editing, the content creation, the coding, the designing, the analysis. I listed all of them down to see which one is best to go with, and from look like as in to delegate. And from look, I want to start with the social media thing because that is where share I share everything. I share anything I've learned or anything I'm learning. That's why I share it, and I don't want it to be such a way that the information I give out will be will not be that much good or will not be that much valuable. So I already have data of my content already. So it will be very, very good if I can read data. If I can read the data, understand the data, and see how I can use that to improve myself and also improve my circle. Because it is all about me improving myself and then me affecting my circle. And then my circle affecting me with whatever positive they've also gotten. And if I say my circle is definitely you. You watching, you every single time spending spending your time to have the opportunity and then watching whatever I'm documenting or whatever I'm doing. Currently it is a social media thing I want to give out and then see how best I can improve things. I'm actually in my sister's place. It's not far from my brother's house. So she's not in at the moment. She's going to work and we'll see how best things will go. Currently, it's work mode. Around it's 12:26. Yeah, I'm currently going to put in some work and then see how best the day will go. During the weekends, I came to my parents' place to visit them. My mom was like, she has missed me, so I should come and pay her a visit. I don't know why, but I've been coming weekends, but this weekend she was like, I should stay. So this Monday, I'm still here. Um, Probably in the evening I'll leave. I'll leave and then go. But I have some agendas to work on and some tasks to cover. Like for example, the calendar in my study, my office, my home office here, all that. And then in the process of me working, yeah, in the process of me working about the employee thing I want to bring in. I was thinking of at first I was thinking of Python. That Python will be the language to go with. Like, Python will be the backend languages to go with, and see how best we can scale from there. But I realized with the Python, I'm a beginner. I won't say I'm a beginner, but I'm a little bit of an amateur. Like I know much, but I don't know that much. I know much, but I don't know that much. So with the backend, more of the backend is going to be um, Node, which is JavaScript. Then if the tax is that much complex, we'll go with Python and then see how best we can make things work together. Because um, I'll be needing AI stuff. Definitely, right now every application would need AI. So um, AI will be very very necessary to work on things and then see how best things go. The office is currently here because the study room is no more a comfortable place to work, and the table is at my brother's place. So currently it's work mode, put in full work, and then see how best the day will go. All right. So far I have been working on the low with this employee thing. I'm kind of like telling you I'm hiring, and it's high time I tell you guys what it's all about. So let me just take you through my machine and show you what I've done so far. I am I am learning and building at the same time. So I'm new to Electron, and I'm learning how to build Electron applications. It is actually the same JavaScript React application, but it's giving you a more desktop form style. And then this is the application I'm building. So I have to connect my YouTube account. Yes, and I want you to look at this. I'm giving it I'm giving it access to have control over my YouTube. I want it to be able to manage my videos and be able to view my analytics. The most important thing is the analytics, comments, and other stuff. And yes, I would say continue. I want to approve it and continue. it is still in development mode. That is why I'm running it on my machine. Voila, everything is working successfully. And then, as you can see, it has pulled my total subscribers, and it's working with. Um, I'm only working with YouTube right now because I want to. That's where I'm posting. I post mostly, like I post long forms mostly. So that is what I'm working with. And later on, I'll be adding TikTok, and this Instagram. I've not added Instagram. It's just a placeholder. Yeah, but this is the employee I said I'm building because I feel like I'm not building. I'm not building a SaaS. I don't see it to be building a SaaS no more. Yeah. So as I was saying, I don't see myself to building SaaS anymore. I want to call them employees because I'm building this for myself. I'm building it for myself in the sense that it should be able to do my tax for me. It should be able to handle information for me, you know. And they say data is everything. So I want to give it. I have enough data on YouTube that I can feed it, let it understand me, let it understand my why, so that I get to provide valuable information. Because my YouTube platform is a I see it to be an educational content platform. Like I say, I release educational content. So in order for me to build or to come up with more educational content, I have to also learn for myself, learn from what my audience are saying, and through that I get to bend the wheel that will fit and make them understand whatever information I'm delivering. And the goal of this is to, at the end of the day, all I want to get is that I want someone to watch my video, write a comment saying, yeah, I watched your video. I went back, took action, and this is the results. Something like that is what I'm looking forward to. And something like that's why I'm building this employee. I've not given it a name yet. The whole platform is Onto Studio, but Onto Studio is the platform I want it to handle, is the domain I want it to handle my social media stuffs. As along the line, I have a lot of ideas I want, or I have a lot of tasks, or a lot of departments I want this platform to handle. So I'm yet to work on it and then improve on it, upon it, and and that is what I have been working on. You know, this is where I've gotten to so far. This is where I've gotten to so far. I'm learning and also building. So Electron, Python, and then JavaScript. JavaScript, I'm good with it already. Python, I'm also good, not good. Electron, I'm still learning to see how best I can come up with something awesome. And it's a desktop application, not a web application. That's what I'm saying. It's an employee. I'm going to integrate AIs into it, so they get most of the stuff done. Yeah. So that's what I'm working on. That's what I've been working on. That's what I have for you. So whatever you're doing, don't stop. Keep doing because there's always a result. Catch you in the upcoming video. Maybe that time I show you the tax I've given to this employee and he's doing something better or he's performing something massive. Yeah. So we look forward to that.